Most places that they do have a policy that you can't do stuff like that to it, but
There's some lightning.
yeah,
Traffic signal. My cousin lives. Oh yeah,
good one.
yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, I know where that is. Somebody probably just threw a cigarette out the window. It's barely raining and people are slamming on the brakes ahead.
God, it's horrible on your inside. It's just like one. Where are we? We're right there.
Oh wow. So okay, so that southern cell split off and turned to the south, and now it's headed like directly for the middle of St. Mary's County instead of being here. Golf ball sized hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind.
Holy crap!
I mean, we did target the right place today. The eastern shore is pretty much quiet. Annapolis, Baltimore is quiet. There's a little shower popping up over like Fairfax, but that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like all the other stuff is going to be heading further and further south of it. So,
Yeah. And I don't. We're not gonna catch that one that's gonna move over St. Mary's, but I can at least point my vehicle at it.
you weren't kidding about the storm moving so slow.
I know, normally they would have zoomed past by now. I think it might be hailing.
Yeah, I'm hearing something.
Yeah. It's probably just like pea-sized, but
No, I can't see anything like.
no, me neither.
Well, I heard that one though. I heard that one being better.
Yeah, it's definitely hailing, but I still can't see them.
Oh. Oh my.
It's pretty green over that way, too. Oh, yeah, I caught that on dash cam.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Right.
Oh yeah.
I definitely got that one. Actually.
Man, first storm chase of the year did not disappoint.
Oh no. That was a double.
Yeah.
Ooh.